Did you know that low-carb diets have skyrocketed in popularity over the last few years, with millions of people swearing by them? It's pretty wild, right? But today, we're diving deep to see if going low-carb is really worth the risk. So, what's the deal with low-carb dieting? It's become a hot topic recently, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. On one hand, you've got the potential for quick weight loss and better blood sugar control. But on the flip side, there are some pretty serious concerns. Today, we'll break down the pros and cons, so you can decide for yourself if this diet is worth the hype. Now, let's talk about some potential health risks that come with extreme low-carb diets. First off, there's the issue of nutrient deficiencies. When you cut out whole food groups like fruits, grains, and certain vegetables, you can miss out on essential vitamins and minerals. Not to mention, there's the risk of messing with your metabolism. Some research suggests prolonged low-carb intake can lead to decreased energy levels and even impact thyroid function. If your body isn't getting the fuel it needs, you might end up feeling tired and sluggish. So, while low-carb diets can lead to weight loss, we have to ask ourselves, at what cost? Now, let's explore some popular low-carb diets, like Keto and Atkins. The Keto diet, for instance, pushes your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Sounds great, right? But studies show that while it can be effective for short-term weight loss, the long-term effects are still up for debate. On the other hand, the Atkins diet allows for a bit more flexibility with carb intake, but can also lead to those pesky nutrient deficiencies, if not balanced properly. Experts have mixed opinions too. Some say these diets can be effective and safe, while others warn about the potential long-term health risks. It's a bit of a minefield out there, and finding a one-size-fits-all answer is tricky. Here's the kicker. Recent research suggests that low-carb diets may not be as universally effective or safe as once thought. A study published in a reputable journal found that while some individuals thrive on low-carb, others experience significant side effects, including increased cholesterol levels and higher risks of heart disease. This challenges common perceptions that low-carb is the ultimate solution for everyone. It seems like the key takeaway is that low-carb might work for some, but it's definitely not a magic bullet for all. So, if you're thinking about jumping on the low-carb bandwagon, it's crucial to listen to your body, and maybe even consult with a healthcare professional. To wrap it all up, low-carb dieting has its benefits, like rapid weight loss and improved blood sugar levels. But it also comes with some serious risks, including nutrient deficiencies and potential metabolic issues. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully, and consider what works best for your own body and lifestyle. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried a low-carb diet? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on healthy eating, don't forget to check out my video on balanced diets right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.